Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put on or take out the side brushes of your ECOVACS X1 Turbo robot. So first I'm gonna click on this button right here, which will exit the robot out of the charging station. Then I'm gonna take the robot because it has exited, as you can see here, and I'm gonna put it on here. Then to take the brushes off, you just need to pull them, use some force to do it, just like that. They're color coded, so the right one is red and the left one is green. As you can see in here. And then to put them on, just put them on. They are squares, so they should pop right in, or if they don't, just rotate them a bit until they align, just like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.